In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shiprocket to WooCommerce. We'll go through the full connection process from your WordPress dashboard to Shiprocket so your store and shipping platform can communicate properly. This setup is important because it allows Shiprocket to pull order information from your WooCommerce store and helps streamline fulfillment. To begin, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions so you can access WooCommerce settings and save configuration changes without any issues. Once you're inside the dashboard, head over to WooCommerce and then click on Settings. This is where the main store configuration options are managed. From there, open the Advanced tab. In this section, you'll find additional technical settings related to how WooCommerce connects with other tools and services. Next, select Legacy API and check the box to enable the REST API. This step is essential for allowing Shiprocket to connect with your WooCommerce store. If this option is not enabled, the integration may not work correctly. After selecting it, click Save Changes. Always wait for the settings to save fully before moving on, just to make sure everything is applied properly. Now that the WooCommerce side is ready, the next part happens in Shiprocket. Go ahead and connect the channel there. Inside your Shiprocket account, navigate to Setup and Manage, and then Open Channels. This area is where you link external selling platforms, including WooCommerce. Look for WooCommerce in the list of available channels and click Add. You'll then be asked to enter your WooCommerce store URL. Be careful to enter the correct store address because even a small mistake in the URL can prevent the connection from being established. Once the URL is entered, click Connect to WooCommerce. At this point, WooCommerce will prompt you to approve the connection, review the request, and approve it so Shiprocket can access the store data it needs. After approval, return to Shiprocket and update the connection details if prompted, then test the connection. This final check helps confirm that everything is linked successfully and that Shiprocket can communicate with your WooCommerce store as expected. If the test works, your integration is complete and you're ready to start managing WooCommerce orders through Shiprocket. If something doesn't connect on the first try, double check that the API setting was enabled, the changes were saved, and the store URL was entered correctly. And that's how to connect Shiprocket to WooCommerce.